One of the first things you do when you wake up in the morning is probably look at your calendar and say, oh gosh, today's going to be another long day. Back to back to back meetings. The reality is work happens in meetings, whether you want to make a key business decision, hire that awesome candidate, or close that really important sale. It happens inside your conference room where you're spending about 40% of your time or on a phone call. In fact, more than 60% of all the critical information that's discussed completely falls through the cracks the moment you leave the conference room. So what you end up doing is those painful follow-ups saying, was that the next step? Was this the next step? You know, Barry, are you gonna get this? And then what ends up happening is you bring everyone back into the room 2 weeks later to have the same meeting to talk about the same stuff. And the best part is we're gonna get it into the systems where it matters the most. Imagine us having a conversation and my sales pipeline is automatically updated. Or our entire team is having this important team sync that we have every week and my tickets are prioritized inside my project management system right afterwards. We believe this is the future of work where we can have our conversations and our systems of records take care of themselves. As a company, we trained our neural network on over 65 million conversations, but for those of you that understand the AI game, it's not just about the volume of data, it's about the granularity of data, the verticalized models that you build, and that's exactly what we're doing for each of our customers. We're building it for their domains, for their industries, and the type of meetings. We definitely have the team with an expertise in deep learning and autonomous systems, as well as patents in workflow optimization from companies like Microsoft, and the research from institutions like MIT. And we know this is a massive problem. If you, me, every person in this room, and every company in America is having meetings, that's 3 billion meetings alone, English-speaking meetings, and that's a $21 billion addressable market. And when the neural network scales to other languages, because it's very easily trainable, then it can go and do it for Spanish, for French, for Japanese, and then the TAM increases by another 30%.